Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came to Gudibande with my apartment family and friends. We started going at 6:30 a.m. and we had between breakfast and we reached here at 10 o'clock and this is Dev. And this we are trekking there, and this is my father's friends, and we are going up now, and Arya came there. This car. Now we are going there. Bye. And guys, this is the Rachan. Rachan. I know. This Arya. Hi Arya. Hi Anna. Hi. And now we are going up there. Now. And let's meet there. Bye. My mother is there and Rachan auntie. And Rachan is there. He's stuck somewhere. And they're calling video class from my mother. And guys, where is nothing? And now continue. Hey, go. Hey, wait. Gottu. Now continue. Rachanu, Arya, Rachanu miss ಆದ.
Hey, Bartari.
Someone wrote something over there. Where? Over there. Where? Yeah. I know.
Hello.
Now we reached that time 6 caves. We was resting 6 times only. Cave was there, like lion cave. Hello. And that is my apartment mate, auntie. And come, let's continue. I'm going shortcut, bro. And look at the view. Guys, look at the view. How it is. Cars, houses, and all. And one ocean. I thought it is an ocean, I don't know. Water. And my mother's coming. And my father. Tell hi, father.
Hello.
And Raja. Hey! And Avni. Siri.
What you will do hitting your
and there is the house.
Whoa.
And Samina auntie. Samara. Chatan auntie. Siri. Look at the view, guys. Very nice. Auntie video. Guys, it's very nice. Very tree. And Rachan is missing somewhere. I don't know where he gone. Now, let's sit for some time. And what is this guy doing here? What are you doing here? What the hell is this? Shout! Just shout! Mummy, hi Anna. Mummy, hi Anna. Hi Anna. This is my mother. Guys, it's very long journey. We are. What is it? Is this protein bar?
Yes.
It will give us enough.
If
If you Avni, if you fall down means Gaya. Huh? Sappe, bro. Bro, where is Rachan? Rachan went down. He's missing? Yes. Arya. Wait. I don't know. What's up?
ಏ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗೋದು.
Hey, I'm Tinala. Hey, mommy will not eat. Hey, what's it? You eat. Hey. Okay, thank you. Just protein bar, guys. I'm eating. Yay!
photo card, photo.
ಕೊಡು.
Guys, we came to the farmhouse and I'm showing the farmhouse. Guys, steps. Okay. Guys, we are at now terrace. Akul. And hey guys, let's go to bedroom. Hey Arya, bedroom. Guys, bedroom, kitchen, and TV, and bed. Guys, let's go. Now, how we are going the crocodile water. Okay, now let's go. And this guy is the Rachan. Hey, what? Here. Oi. I'm Mano. Bro, what the loud music! Go. Now it's finally. Now guys, really. Let's go down. I'll show the German Shepherd. I don't know where is German Shepherd. Okay. And after the video. And German Shepherd. Now let's see the German Shepherd. Guys, I don't know where it's gone. Let's go down. It's sitting there. That's not a German Shepherd. Some police dog, I don't know. Guys, really? Dog is sitting. And German Shepherd is, you can see that ladder. After that right, it will be there. And let's go.
ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಚೊಟ್ಟಪಟ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಬಟರ್ಸ್ಕಾಚ್ ಕೇಳು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
Not bro, what the hell is
ಕೇಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ
Arya? It's a time.
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೇಳು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
Let's go to the bedroom. Appa, I'm free, guys. Guys, I'm free. Hey, is this Rachan? Hey, Rachan. You know? Hello. Oh, there. Okay. Okay, bye. And okay, guys, like and subscribe to my channel.